In today's interconnected world, securing sensitive information is paramount. Symmetric encryption plays a vital role in safeguarding our data from unauthorized access. Imagine sending an email, shopping online, or accessing your bank account, all while knowing that your personal information is vulnerable to interception. By transforming plaintext into unreadable ciphertext, it ensures that only authorized parties with the secret key can decrypt and access the original information. Symmetric encryption operates on the principle of a shared secret key. Both the sender and the recipient possess the same key, which is used for both encryption and decryption. The strength of symmetric encryption lies in the secrecy and complexity of the shared key. Longer and more random keys make it exponentially harder for attackers to break the encryption. From securing financial transactions to safeguarding medical records, symmetric encryption plays a crucial role in maintaining privacy and trust in our digital interactions. As technology advances, symmetric encryption will continue to evolve, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of our data. Symmetric encryption, a cornerstone of modern cryptography, relies on a single shared key to both encrypt and decrypt data. This process involves transforming plaintext into ciphertext using a specific algorithm and the shared key. The recipient, possessing the same key, then uses the reverse process, decryption, to transform the ciphertext back into plaintext. Several symmetric encryption algorithms are widely used today, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Some common examples include Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, Triple DS, 3DS, and Blowfish. Regardless of the specific algorithm used, the fundamental principle remains the same. A shared secret key enables both encryption and decryption. Data transmission, the lifeblood of the internet, involves sending information across networks, often traversing vast distances and multiple intermediaries. Securing this data in transit is crucial to prevent eavesdropping, tampering, and unauthorized access. When data is encrypted using symmetric encryption before transmission, it becomes unreadable to anyone intercepting it without the shared key. This means that even if an attacker gains access to the data stream, they cannot decipher the encrypted information. The intended recipient, possessing the shared key, can decrypt the data upon receipt. Symmetric encryption algorithms are specifically designed to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of data during transmission. By encrypting data at the source and decrypting it only at the intended destination, symmetric encryption provides a robust security layer for data transmission. Virtual private networks, VPNs, have become indispensable tools for enhancing online privacy and security. VPNs leverage the power of symmetric encryption to create secure encrypted tunnels between the user's device and a remote server. When connecting to a VPN, the user's device establishes an encrypted connection with the VPN server. This encrypted tunnel acts as a secure pathway for all data transmitted between the device and the server. Any data sent through this tunnel is encrypted using symmetric encryption, rendering it unreadable to anyone outside the tunnel. By routing internet traffic through the VPN server, they mask the user's real IP address, making it appear as if they are browsing from the server's location. Furthermore, VPNs add an extra layer of security by encrypting all internet traffic, not just specific applications or websites. This comprehensive protection makes VPNs essential tools for individuals and businesses seeking to enhance their online privacy and security. Secure Socket Layer, or SSL, and its successor, Transport Layer Security, known as TLS, are cryptographic protocols that form the backbone of secure web communications. These protocols utilize symmetric encryption to establish encrypted connections between web browsers and web servers. When you visit a website secured with SSL or TLS, your web browser initiates a handshake process with the web server. During this handshake, the browser and server negotiate encryption parameters, including the type of symmetric encryption algorithm to use and a unique randomly generated session key. The use of symmetric encryption in SSL and TLS ensures that sensitive information transmitted during online activities remains protected from eavesdropping and tampering. The widespread adoption of SSL and TLS has significantly enhanced the security of the internet, making it safer for users to engage in online transactions and share sensitive information with trusted websites. While securing data in transit is crucial, Protecting data at rest when it is stored on devices or servers is equally important. Data breaches and cyber attacks can target stored data, making it essential to employ robust encryption methods. Symmetric encryption plays a vital role in encrypting data at rest, ensuring that even if a device is lost or compromised, the data remains inaccessible to unauthorized individuals. Encrypting data at rest involves using symmetric encryption algorithms to transform the data into an unreadable format before storing it. The encryption key, which is essential for decrypting the data, is stored securely, separate from the encrypted data itself. Encrypting data at rest provides an additional layer of security, mitigating the risks associated with data breaches, theft, or unauthorized access. By rendering the data unreadable without the encryption key, data at rest encryption provides a robust defense against unauthorized access. Symmetric encryption is not a concept confined to textbooks. It's an integral part of our daily digital lives. From securing our online banking transactions to safeguarding our private conversations, symmetric encryption is the unsung hero of the digital age. One of the most common examples is securing Wi-Fi networks. When you connect to a Wi-Fi network secured with WPA2 or WPA3, your device uses symmetric encryption to encrypt all data transmitted between your device and the router. This encryption prevents eavesdroppers from intercepting your internet traffic, protecting your passwords, browsing history, and other sensitive information. Another prevalent example is file encryption. When you encrypt a file using symmetric encryption, you protect it with a password or passphrase. Beyond securing individual files or Wi-Fi networks, symmetric encryption forms the bedrock of numerous secure protocols that safeguard data transmission across networks. One such protocol is SFTP, or SSH File Transfer Protocol, a secure method for transferring files between computers over a network. SFTP utilizes symmetric encryption to encrypt all data transferred during the file transfer process. Another crucial protocol is IPsec, or Internet Protocol Security, a suite of protocols that provide secure communication at the network layer. IPsec utilizes symmetric encryption to encrypt all data packets transmitted between two or more devices or networks. This tunnel protects against eavesdropping, tampering, and other network-based attacks. While symmetric encryption offers a robust method for protecting data confidentiality, it grapples with a fundamental challenge: key distribution. The very essence of symmetric encryption, the shared secret key, also presents its most significant vulnerability. Distributing this key securely between authorized parties, especially over vast distances or untrusted networks, poses a considerable challenge. The security of symmetric encryption hinges on the secrecy of the shared key. If this key is compromised during distribution, the entire system becomes vulnerable. An attacker obtaining the key gains the ability to decrypt all data encrypted with that key. Various methods exist for distributing symmetric keys securely, each with its own set of advantages and trade-offs. The choice of key distribution method depends on factors such as the level of security required and the availability of trusted channels. Beyond the initial hurdle of secure key distribution, symmetric encryption presents ongoing challenges related to key management. These challenges encompass various aspects, including key storage, key rotation, key revocation, and key lifecycle management. Secure key storage is paramount. The shared secret key must be stored in a manner that prevents unauthorized access. Key rotation involves periodically changing the shared secret key to mitigate the impact of a potential key compromise. Key revocation deals with canceling a compromised or no longer needed key, preventing its further use. Effective key revocation mechanisms are crucial to ensure that only authorized parties have access to encrypted data. Despite the challenges associated with key distribution and management, symmetric encryption remains a cornerstone of modern cryptography. Its speed, efficiency, and robust security make it an indispensable tool for protecting data confidentiality and integrity. From securing our online transactions to safeguarding our private conversations, symmetric encryption works tirelessly behind the scenes. As technology advances and new threats emerge, symmetric encryption continues to evolve. While newer encryption methods continue to emerge, symmetric encryption's enduring significance lies in its fundamental role as a building block for secure communication and data protection. Its speed, efficiency, and well-established security make it an essential tool for securing our digital interactions.